guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janelle. So y'all, we going to vacation. It is December, what day is this? 13th? Today's Wednesday, so I don't know what day this is, but I'm leaving on Saturday, so that's gonna be the 16th. Y'all, we going to Jamaica, okay? I mean, it's a long time coming. I feel like Jamaica is low-key basic because everybody goes there, but you know, why not experience it? I'm a Caribbean girl. My family's from Belize, so you know, I just gotta experience everything. Today we're gonna be doing a SHEIN haul. So we're gonna start off with like my swimsuits, then my little outfits that I have planned to wear, and I will link everything in the description below. I'll even have the ID numbers for my TikToks and shorts and stuff like that. But yeah, y'all, I'm really excited. I already have my vacation hair done. It was done about 5 days ago. I did it, why did I do that? On the 7th it was done. Today's already like the 13th, so definitely like 5-6 days ago. And I did that because I wanted to enjoy my hair while it was freshly done, because you know, when you go on vacation, it's kind of like, I just got my hair done and now it's already ugly because I'm sweating and I wanted to get in the pool. So I just decided to get a really nice week out of it, and I felt like the way that I am clumsy, like I literally can't, it's retarded. I'm gonna just set this over here. Anyway, I don't even know what I'm talking about. Let's just get started with the SHEIN review. SHEIN haul. And SHEIN, let me tell you something. I am a loyal customer. Like, you guys are obviously within my budget, but like, partner with me because I'm going to give you guys some sales. I've done that. So stop playing. Stop, please. Alright, y'all, here's the first look. I know it's a lot. I actually have on a little thong so that y'all could see. But oops, I should tag. I don't have it like tied all the way, but it's so cute. I love the gold detail. And it has it at here, so it's just a basic like black bikini, but the gold detail accessories, you know, really make it shine. So it looks really cute. It's almost full coverage in the back, but you know, for the front, I think, you know, the sides are a little out, just a little bit, but you know, you gotta be naked on vacation, right? Y'all, there was a great struggle for this one. Here's it up close. I do like the way it looks. However, I think my ass crack is going to come out like every time I walk. This is what the back looks like. I mean, it's kind of like dramatic, but I don't know. The fit in the back is kind of weird. Not gonna lie, but it looks pretty on. So I'll say that. I'll say that. Yeah, I'm gonna rate this about like a 6 out of 10. It was really difficult to put on over, because you have to put it on from under. So like, yeah, it's a lot. Just think about this one. Yeah, it looks very pretty on. So I'll back up and you can see the final look. So this is the detail for the next one. It's really, really pretty. It's giving blue skies and bubblegum, period. I really like it. It's like the material's fine. You know, it's a swimsuit. It's something cute. Yeah, I rate this one definitely like a solid 9, 8, 9, 8, 9. You feel me? All right, y'all, this is the other one. I like this one. This is stuff that I like actually feel more comfortable in. This is what it's looking like. The material is really good. It's really thick. The support and coverage is a lot better compared to the other ones I've been trying on. It's really like comfortable, cute. Like, you don't have to worry about no slip ups. Keep, you know, checking on yourself. And this one is really like cute. I like this one a lot. Like, you can adjust it, you know, however you want it. You know, support the girls a little bit better. Pull it up higher, you know, whatever you want to do. But I would give this one definitely like a 10 out of 10, just based on like, it's cute, the coverage, you know, the support. It's cute. Yeah, no, I had to get one outfit to support the event. I do like this one a lot. It looks really pretty on my skin tone. I'm rushing to do this haul, so like it can support even more. I just didn't do that, but you know, I like natural, let them hang free, okay? But yeah, this is the look. You know, I would do different hairstyles for y'all, but I don't know, this content creating stuff is crazy. Like, how do y'all do this? Like, if it's your job, I get it, but this is not my job. I want it to be, but yeah. So it might be too bright, but it has like a little detail where like it's twisted, and that's on all the strings on the outfit, and then it has the cover up. So the bottom as well is like, I don't know how much coverage I have. It might not be that much. Ooh, I have a whole wedgie. Yeah, it's not that much. So, oh, my butt crack is out. So you might want to pull it up even more to where you do have a wedgie. So your butt is definitely gonna be out on this one, definitely. All right, y'all. This is, I believe this is actually swimwear, because it has a little bottom that comes to it. It's right here. But this is it's giving like, you know, a nice day to walk to the beach, you know, a little chill day on vacation. You know, a little something to walk around the resort. I think this is really pretty. The color is really pretty. I love it on my skin tone as well. It has a little skirt, and then this is the little, you know, bottom to it. Yeah, I like it a lot. Rating, I would say probably like an 8 out of 10. I don't know, like, it's really cute. I have no issues. I really don't. It's so bright, I'm sorry y'all, but yeah, it's cute. This is the detail in the back. That is all for the haul. I have my swimwear, my vacation outfits. I don't even know if I'm gonna separate it or put it together, you know, to get 2 videos. Why not? But I really appreciate you guys rocking with me to the end, so thank you for that. If you like what you see, you like my personality and everything, you know, hit subscribe, because why not be a part of our family? So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.